Welcome back, students. Let's start our further lesson. Number 9. Where does water comes from? Now, let us study our district map. Here, you can see to the west there is Arabian Sea. Many rivers are flowing towards sea. Then you can see Sahyadri Mountains. You can refer textbook page number 55. This map shows you the water bodies and landforms in our district. Let us move on to small experiment. Take 3 bottles of the same shape. Fill one bottle up to the brim. Imagine that you are only one to use all this water. This means you can use all the water from the bottle. Now, fill the second bottle and divide the water equally into 2 parts. Now, share the bottle with another person. Is this the water less or more than the amount you have first time? Now, fill the third bottle. Imagine that 4 other children are there with you to share that water. Now you will have to divide the water in the bottle with them. Now see how much your share of the water is. Is the amount of water you had this time is less or more? So you have seen as many percent increases, the amount of water we get is lesser than previous time. Now, all living beings require water to survive. If only human beings use up all the water, then other living things will not get any amount of water and it will become difficult for them to survive. Nobody can live without water. Now, let us see another experiment or example of Rahul and Saguna. Rahul and Saguna drink water. After playing, they both wash their hands and feet. They bath every day in morning and wash their plates after eating. However, they use too much water while doing these things. So, can you give good ideas to them for using water carefully? They should save water. They should close the tap when not in use. They should use a bucket filled with water and not a running tap for washing, bathing, and cleaning. Like this, they can save water. Now, Mausiram and Chirapunji are 2 places in India which receives highest rainfall in the world. But in summer, however, there is shortage of water in those places. The same thing occurs in the Konkan region of Maharashtra. This is because adequate efforts are not made to store rainwater. Store water can be used later by building dams and reservoirs. Do you know, students, our Earth planet is covered with 71% of water and only 29% of land. 71% of water is in form of seas and oceans. This water is salty and we cannot use it for drinking. Only 0.3% of water is found in lakes, rivers, etc., which is fresh and can be used for drinking after filtration. So, we must not waste water and should use water properly. Without water, we cannot survive. So, children, please learn how to save water and not to waste it. Thank you.